What do these cleaning and security companies have in common? What's the secret sauce for efficiency, cost savings, and growth? Winteam TEAM Software's industry-specific ERP is made especially for North American cleaning and security contractors with distributed workforces. It's simply a better way to manage your business so you can grow. With your financial, operations, and workforce management components together in one software system, you gain efficiency and insight. That means simpler, automated business processes, effective cost control, timely information, and detailed job costing. Advanced accounting tools help you create budgets, manage cash flow, and produce powerful financial statements. With Winteam's job-centric approach, you can budget labor, materials, and other direct costs to the job or site level. That kind of business data comes together into one system to drive efficiency, automation, profitability, and smart decision-making. Winteam also supports other back-office functions like human resources, benefits, and payroll. Workforce management and operations features enable you to schedule people and work and better align key resources. Manage billable work, track tasks, and perform building inspections in the cleaning industry. Security contractors can ensure shift coverage with qualified guards while keeping costs in check. Use time and attendance technology to better manage labor costs, reduce errors, and save time on billing and payroll. And self-service tools give your field-based workers 24/7 access to tools they need when and where they need them. Winteam has more than 100 standard reports with detailed business information. Use add-on dashboards and business intelligence tools to get even more out of your data. Connect other third-party tools to Winteam through our network of API partners. TEAM Software has helped hundreds of North American cleaning and security contractors manage their businesses better, scale operations, and grow. That's the reason TEAM has been a leading provider of solutions for security and cleaning contractors for over 30 years, and counting.